Hi guys, Mario Shiku here, and today I'll make an unboxing and a review for this brand new Stylecraft SABER clipper. But let's have a look first to the box, cause here we will find all the information that we need. Boom! 6 hours codeless runtime. Lithium ion battery. Man, that means a lot. Long time. I'm not sure if you need any more clippers now on your station. On this 6 hours runtime will be more than perfect. Adjustable zero gap blade. Digital brushless motor. It's giving us 7500 RPM rotation per minute high torque brushless motor. But like they already mentioned, brushless motor it's more fast anyway and has more powerful. Low noise and low vibration. It comes already with double magnetic guards inside the box. Tight or straight taper legged modes. Customizable click or freestyle levers. Heavy duty full metal body. Black diamond carbon DLC blade, and as I've already mentioned before, 7500 RPM. But keep in your mind, it is brushless motor. That means it's more powerful and it has more speed as well. Stylecraft, I think this is the warranty. Yeah, so just complete your name, date when you buy the products, when you purchase the products, and keep for warranty. That's the beauty. It's nice in this gold. I really like the clippers and trimmers, how they look and come in gold like that. But now it's up to you guys if you prefer black. I do prefer black, to be honest, more than gold, but I still like gold, how they look. When they come like that in the box, brand new, it look amazing. Especially in this combination, like black and gold. But let's have a look a bit closer now what we found inside the box. Of course, it comes with this stand as well, which is nice. Stylecraft stand. Keep safe and nice on your station. It comes with magnetic guards too. You see here already. This is from number 6 and this is number 1. That's the smaller one and this is the biggest one. That's the charger. Of course, you can use cord and cordless too, so it's up to you. Comes already with this oil, small brush, and this stretch, and some screw as well, and of course this screwdriver. Stylecraft. It comes as well with a clear case, so we can change between them both, but I prefer in this gold anyway. Let's put everything back here. Now have a look a bit close to this beauty. Let's turn on now. Yes, that I'm looking for. It's really quiet too. even if you adjust the blade to 0 shorter or 0.5, it's still quiet. This LED, that's the bottom, that's the back now. I like this texture, it looks like diamonds, so it's nice. That's 0.5. Open blade, open position, and now close position. Stylecraft Fade blade, and it has this click, which I love. You can easily adjust the blade how you like. And of course, like they already mentioned on the box, you can adjust the blade to 0 gap if you want. Again, it's up to you, it's up how you like to use on your station. I've always used for the skin fade 0 gap, but not that close, you know, as to touch the skin, but maybe just a bit closer than now. Saber, Stylecraft, and again, it's really quiet. That's the quietest clipper which I've already seen. If I have a good memory, I think Gamma X Ergo, it's pretty same, quiet as well, but this is the quietest one. Let's see now the guards, if they will fit on this guards magnetic one. No, they are bigger. Let's see the wall guards, the original one. They fit absolutely perfect, so it's fine. This is as well Babyliss one. The Babyliss, it's fit as well, so it's fine. And now the Gamma one magnetic. This, it's fit perfect too. So if you're looking to buy any of these guards, you can find to the Modish Cosmetics. All the products which I've already reviewed and unboxing, they were provided to me by Modish Cosmetics. Thank you guys in this way, and just go straight away there guys to see more products. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like that. Take care.